making a high protein coffee drink using 4 Sigmatic cold brew. And we're gonna use some vanilla protein powder. I'll fill this up with water. If you stir at it, it goes faster. This is a cold brew coffee pot that I got from Amazon. It's awesome. Just pour the coffee grounds in here. And you put it in. And you store it for 8 hours. At least. I like to store it overnight. Right before I go to bed. So I wake up in the morning, I can make my drink, and then go about my day. Alright, fill it to about there. Push this down. Place in the fridge overnight. We got the cold brew. We take the strainer out with the coffee. So we're gonna use 4 ounces, half a cup, and now I'm gonna add it to a 12 grams. I like drinking cold brew because for my acid reflux, the cold brew coffee is less acidic. It's better for right here. So I still get the caffeine without the acid reflux acting up. We're gonna use Fairlife milk. And I love Fairlife milk because it has more protein than your average milk. It still comes from cow's milk. So I think the normal amount of milk for 8 ounces is 8 grams of protein, and this one has 13. We're gonna use a cup of milk. I like this protein powder because it tastes really good. Also, it has some probiotics in there too. So get some benefits of the gut health. Then take a nice, healthy scoop. Drop that in there. So I like to blend this combination. Blend my protein drinks because it makes it super smooth, silky smooth.
No lumpies.
And no lumpies. Alright, you only need to do that for a few seconds. So, add half a cup of ice because I really like this drink super cold. And now we add our protein shake. That looks good. I'm just missing one more thing.
How's it taste?
It tastes amazing. This is awesome. Good before workout, good for after workout. If you like to wake up early and hit the gym, this is a perfect post-workout meal on your way to work. It gives you caffeine and approximately 35 grams of protein in 1 cup. Amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried a drink like this. Until then, stay fit, my friends.